Delta and Dream on Me are the most popular mini cribs in the market and have won the hearts of customers worldwide. We are going to look at the key differences so that you can make a clear decision about which one is right for your needs. The link to buy both products is available in description. Delta Children Folding Portable Mini Baby Crib is a well-built and versatile product that comes with wheels to allow you easy movement throughout the home. It provides a safe and comfy sleep space for your little one. It is made with high-quality material, which makes it strong, durable and ensures long-lasting using experience. It features two-position mattress height adjustment, which allows you to lower the mattress as your baby begins to sit or stand. It is very easy to assemble, fold and unfold, as it comes with all the tools needed for installation and portability. Dream on Me 3-in-1 portable crib comes with your patented rail design, which allows you to easily convert the crib into 3 different positions. It is a perfect space saver with one-hand folding, 4 flat and compact storage, while the lightweight frame with wheels makes it easy for you to move it around the house. It is made with high-quality material, which makes it strong, durable and ensures long-lasting using experience. It features a clean and minimalist design, which makes it an ideal addition to any nursery. Its maximum weight limit is 35 pounds and comes with a 3-position mattress support. It is very easy to assemble, as it comes with all the tools needed for its installation. Both mini cribs are equipped with amazing features, but Dream on Me has the edge over Delta Mini Crib. It is a 3-in-1 portable folding side crib, which makes it ideal for today's urban parents. It is a multifunctional, safe and stylish crib, which blends beautifully with all room decors.